Okay, so this section is about the main use for Roman numerals in healthcare. Um, the purpose of the Roman numeral is to indicate quantity. So with Roman numerals, we can identify the quantity represented on a prescription. And here's an example of how to do that. So 2 uppercase I's equals, okay, 2 uppercase I's, hold on a second. Okay, so 2 uppercase I's equals 1 plus 1, and that equals 2, right? If you have 2 lowercase i's, 1 plus 1 equals 2 as well. If you have a lowercase I and a larger quantity in front of it, that means we're going to do subtraction. So the lowercase v is equivalent to 5. So we're going to do 5 minus 1 equals 4. So this is v minus I equals 4, right? So x plus x. X, if you look in your book, x is equivalent to 10, right? So you have 2 10s, right? 2 large Roman numerals. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. And that means x plus x equals 20. Now how about L? L is equivalent to 50. X is 10, right? So you have a smaller Roman numeral, right, behind a larger Roman numeral. So when you see that, you're going to do subtraction. 50 minus 10 equals 40. So that's L minus X equals 40. Alright, and so here, this is the last one, we have a different arrangement here. So you have the larger Roman numeral behind the smaller Roman numeral. And when you see it like this, you'll do addition. So you'll do 5 plus 1 equals 6. In other words, v plus 1 equals 6. Alright, so here are some handwritten examples. Same thing, you have a smaller Roman numeral behind a larger Roman numeral. So when you see that, you'll do subtraction. So it's going to be 10 minus 1 equals 9. And what that means is x minus I equals 9. Here's a better example of what it will look like on a prescription. It might have 2 lowercase i's with a slash at the top, and that's 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? And here we have a larger Roman numeral behind a smaller Roman numeral. When that's the case, we're doing addition, right? So 10 plus 5 equals 15, or x plus v equals 15. And here's an example of it being on a prescription. So you have amoxicillin 250 milligram tablets, and to read the SIG code, it says, remember our Roman numerals, 2 tablets by mouth, TID, for 7 days. And TID means try. They got that abbreviation or SIG code from the prefix try, which means 3. So you know that 3 times a day. And then if you see BID, that SIG code comes from the prefix bi, meaning 2. Alright, so you know that means 2 times a day. Alright, and that sums up our presentation on Roman numerals.